Hey, welcome back for another product video at SpenCertified. My name is Spencer, and today we're going to be looking at this Denon 5-disc CD player. It's a really popular model. People really like it. Denon is a really solid brand. It's going to complement any system, and it will plug in directly to any amp, and you could also connect it to other speakers if you wanted to. But when you receive it, it's going to come with the 5-disc CD player, of course, the factory remote control, analog audio cables to connect it to your amplifier, and then the manual. Now that you know what comes in the box, let me give you an overview of the item itself. On the face of it, you have a power button that clicks in and out. It's got that old school design that allows you to completely shut it off when you turn it off. And then it's got the phone's output so that you can connect headphones to it and listen to it without speakers. And it's got a pretty basic setup on the front. You've just got the repeat and random functions, which random will allow you to shuffle through all the discs in there, or you can just shuffle through one. And then you've got skip backward, skip forward, fast rewind, fast forward, stop, pause, play, open, and disc skip. And this machine is capable of playing MP3 discs, which a lot of machines aren't. The remote control gives you the ability to control the device from a distance. You can control it from up to 20 feet away as long as the eyes are in view of each other. It allows you to open the disc tray. You can program songs if you want. That means that you can queue up whatever songs you want that are inside of the player. Then you got the repeat function for playing one track or all tracks repeatedly. Then the random function again, time to adjust the display on the screen. And then the disc select button, you would push that and then select the number for which one you want to play. And then you've got your track buttons. You could jump to any track on the disc. And then you've got all of your normal functions. You could even adjust the volume with the remote. That's not going to control the actual volume of your amplifier, but it will control the output from the CD player. And then on the rear panel of it, you've got your standard analog audio output with the red and white connection. That's going to be the wire that's included. Then you've got the synchro connection. That would be for connecting it to a tape deck if you were doing any recording. And then the coaxial digital audio output, that is for digital audio instead of analog. That's kind of a preference thing. Most people use the red and white, but you can substitute the red and white for the coaxial output. Let's go ahead and get it all set up and I'll show you how it works. Unfortunately, we aren't going to connect it to speakers though, just because the audio will cause copyright issues with this video, so we're going to skip that and I'm just going to show it to you playing. So all that we need to do in order to do this is just plug in the power and then put in 5 discs. You could also put one and use it as a single player, but we're just going to go ahead and put 5 in. So if you turn on shuffle mode, you can press play and then it will randomly select a disc and then randomly select a track. Or you can have it on continue play, which will play straight through all of the discs. Then you can even change discs while one continues to play. was all the basics of this really desirable 5-disc Denon CD player. If you're looking to get one of these, make sure you get it from us at SpenCertified.com, and you can call to order or order online. And if you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.